This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pointing the satellite's imager and capturing raw frames. Adjust exposure and gain to avoid saturation. Once done, the camera writes time-stamped files into onboard RAM or flash, and you trigger real-time compression to reduce size. Make sure to attach basic metadata, time, pointing, instrument state, so ground software can interpret pixels. You also queue prioritized images for downlink based on priority flags. This ensures critical frames are sent first when Windows open. You then packetize the compressed files into CCSDS frames, adding headers, sequence counters, and CRC checks so ground can reassemble and verify integrity. Next, place those packets into a transmitter queue synchronized to predicted ground pass windows using the comms schedule. Make sure to configure modulation, symbol rate, and FEC settings. These trade bandwidth for robustness. Once queued, the radio uplinks antenna pointing and power settings are set automatically to maximize link margin during the short pass. When the satellite reaches the ground station line of sight, you command the antenna to lock and begin RF transmission of packet streams. The radio follows the scheduled modulation and power profile. On the ground, receivers demodulate, apply FEC decoding, and validate CRCs to rebuild the image. Once received, you run automated quality checks and unpack metadata. If packets are lost or corrupted, request retransmit or use incremental reassembly and error concealment routines. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.